Good morning. Welcome to the Chardon et le Fleur de Lis. Today, I just want to remind tourists when you come to Quebec City and other cities that they are still working cities and they still have to deliver food and beer and groceries and stuff for the market to the stores that you shop in every day. So there's the odd morning when you show up in Quebec City that things are just not what you expect them to be for tourists, such as garbage piled up on the street ready for the garbage trucks, delivery trucks blocking roadways so they need to access these places to get to them. So some days when you get up early in the morning to go for a nice walk, expect it to be like a normal city because they're preparing themselves for you to be out there the rest of the afternoon and enjoy that. So just be prepared, but enjoy the city.